How to fix echo on Discord. What is up, everyone? If you are facing echo on Discord voice, this is how you can fix it. You can either use app or the browser version of desktop Discord. I'm just going to show you with the browser version. First of all, open up a Discord app or the browser. And once you open up the app, make sure that you are logged into your Discord account. Then you're going to have to head over to user settings. Right below here, you'll find the cogwheel or the gear icon to head over to user settings. And then scroll down on the side here until you find app settings. Right under app settings, you'll find voice and video, where you can control all of your voice and videos. So first thing you do is check your input volume, and from here you can adjust it. Sometimes what happens is if your input volume is all the way turned up, it might cause echo, so you can adjust its level by sliding this. The next thing you can do is check your input sensitivity. So usually it's good around here, 70 to 75 decibels. But if you want, you could play around with it to find what's causing the echo. And finally, the main step is to head over to voice processing and turn on this echo cancellation. It is a very effective tool that will cancel out any echo that's caused by your mic. On the noise suppression, you can use standard or crisp. And then here on automatically gain control to adjust your microphone volume, you might want to turn this one off so that you can change your microphone volume manually. And once you've done that, you can try to switch your voice channel with warning on advanced settings. Make sure this one is turned on as well, and it will change your settings so that your echo will be cancelled. That's it for this video, guys. If it was helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.